Let's get started with memory allocation. My rule in general is this: keep your allocations under 32 bytes per frame. Now, how do we hunt for the allocations? Basically, we just do this with the Unity profiler. There's no secret here. And finally, the deep profiler is going to serve a huge purpose. If we are talking about allocations, the deep profiler is going to be super helpful, because otherwise you will not get a lot of information about the exact source of your allocations, and you're going to waste time on that. And the result of this is that you will have either allocations that you have control over, because they are just on your code. And you might also have a second group of allocations that you cannot do much about because they don't belong to your code. It might belong to a third-party library, like it could be an asset. It could be also the Unity API or the Unity engine. Those are two groups of allocations that you might need to deal with. The worst type of allocations usually come from third-party libraries because you have very limited capabilities of fixing them.